Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a 5G-capable Xiaomi model, a 5G SIM, and an active 5G plan. Once done, open Settings and tap SIM cards and mobile networks for the SIM you use for data. Make sure mobile data is on, then check system updates and install the latest MIUI patch. You do this because carrier and firmware compatibility determine if the phone can register on 5G cells. Skipping updates or using the wrong SIM often blocks access. Now you configure the preferred network type. Go to the same SIM settings, tap Preferred Network Type, and select 5G/4G/3G/2G Auto or 5G/4G to prioritize 5G. If your MIUI version hides the option, open Advanced Settings or tap Network Operators to run a manual search. This forces the modem to scan for 5G cells. You do this because some carriers require the device to actively select networks, letting the phone auto-negotiate. Finish by rebooting the phone to apply network changes, then confirm the 5G icon in the status bar and run a quick speed test. If you still don't get 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 to 15 seconds and revisit preferred network type. Sometimes the radio needs a reset. One key troubleshooting tip: if toggles fail, contact your carrier. Many times the SIM's APN or account provisioning doesn't include 5G, and they must enable it on their end for your line to register.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.